I prefer to go long today. I like two stocks. One is IndusInd Bank, that is looking good, seeing some kind of a consolidation, and yesterday's move is good. It's given a breakout gap. Looks like IndusInd Bank is climbing to levels closer to 455, will be slightly higher, stop below 430. The second stock that looks good to me is Tata Steel. Tata Steel structure has been positive. The original target on Tata Steel certainly is 434. I think it's heading towards that. May take a day, maybe take a 2 days, but looks like it's heading towards 434. I would maintain a stop of 416 and trade long on Tata Steel. Today, I think IndusInd Bank as well as Tata Steel both look good. On the futures front, I like to trade Bank Nifty futures today. I think Bank Nifty futures structurally is still positive, has seen a good robust closing, can climb to levels closer to around 12,000. Stop, a tight stop below 11,650 should do. If it breaks, don't trade. If it continues about 11,650, looks like 12,000 is in the pockets.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy BPCL at 357 levels in the cash segment. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 354, and I'll expect to book profits at 365 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Bharat Heavy Electricals, which is BHEL, in the cash segment at 170 mark, holding these long positions with the stop loss at 167.5, expecting to book profits at 174.5 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to buy December futures of Coal India at 279 levels, holding these long positions with the stop loss at 276, expecting to book profits at 284 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Well, Nifty for the day needs to stay above 6257, resistance at 6283 and 6325, support at 6215 and 6189. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 11,606 and CNX IT above 8873. Crompton Greaves, the BTST from yesterday was Crompton Greaves with which was a buy with a stop of 124, target of 132. PFC was a buy with a stop of 160, target of 174. Bank of Baroda was a buy with a stop of 650, target of 700. Fresh calls, ICICI Bank is a buy with a stop of 1120, target of 1170. Larsen is a buy with a stop of 1070, target of 1120. Yes Bank is a buy with a stop of 387, target of 415. Siemens is a buy with a stop of 605, target of 660. Maruti is a buy with a stop of 1680, target of 1745. And Jubilant Food is a buy with a stop of 1345, target of 1420.
A buy in HDFC Bank, stop loss 678, target 710. A buy in Maruti, stop loss 1680, target 1740. A buy in Escort, stop loss 115, target 125. A sell in NTPC, stop loss 146.50, target 138. And a sell in Z Entertainment, stop loss 271, target 256.
I've got buys mostly from the banking sector. The first one is the buy on the Bank Nifty or the index itself. Now can be bought with a stop below 11,470 for targets of around 12,000. Dr. Reddy's has been showing weakness and some distribution patterns. So if it starts trading below 2398, sell with a stop at 2431. Look for targets of around 2325. HDFC Bank is a buy with a stop at 674 for short-term price targets of 715. HPCL had a strong breakout yesterday. Now can be bought with a stop at 216 for targets of around 238. And I've got a buy on ICICI Bank with a stop at 1108. Look for targets of around 12,000.